For reading and writing today, we are reading the books Blackout by John Rocco and How Do You Know It's Summer by Lisa Harrington. So as usual, make sure to click on the book title. And if you've signed in recently, then you will go right to this page. And if not, it might take you to a login page. If you're not sure of the username and password, then you can go to the reading instructions slide in the reading and writing assignment, and it has the username and password for you. And you can go ahead and log in that way. So you're going to watch the story Blackout and then read the book, How Do You Know It's Summer? And then you're going to do the word match and which came first, and then explore the web and meet the creators. When you're done, go ahead and go back to your writing, which is your Scholastic News Journal, and write about something you found interesting in what you read. I notice, so type in I notice, and then finish the sentence and put a period. And a question that you had, so I wonder, so type in I wonder, and then finish the question and put a question mark at the end. And then a connection that you made as you read. So this book reminds me of, go ahead and type in, this book reminds me of, finish your sentence and make sure to put a period. When you've read your writing and you've made sure it's your best, go ahead and press the X and the blue turn in button, and then sign into Imagine Learning for 30 minutes. Make sure you've done your phonics assignment, and then read in your books from Walmart if you've already received them, or books at your house that you already had, or on Epic Books. Remember, I have included the Epic Books login information in the assignment. All right, keep up the good work and good luck with your reading and writing today.